Today we're going to be learning all about gases. So with solids, remember it has a certain shape. And we played with solids that had a certain shape. And liquids, they changed the shape into the container that it was poured into. But if we poured it into one of the containers and the container was smaller, what happened? The liquid spilled
down.
Yes, the liquid spilled out. But with gases, they take up space, but they don't have a certain shape. So when we're blowing a balloon, I'm going to take a balloon, and when I blow into it, what's going to go in the balloon?
Air.
What happens to the gas?
It blows up.
It blows up. It makes the balloon get bigger. The gases take up the space and the shape of the balloon.
Wow.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
And then if I were to let go, what would happen?
Stop.
The air came out. Exactly. Very good. We're going to play with all kinds of things that have gases. So the first thing we're going to do is play with bubbles. When you blow a bubble, the air goes into the soapy water and it makes the shape of the bubble. Let's see what kind of shapes we can. So a gas expands to take the shape of the container that it's in. In this case, it takes the shape of the bubble. Okay, there are other ways to play with gases. What I have here are rockets. So this is a little foam rocket, and in here there's space to put some air. When I press down on this with my foot, what happens to the air? The air gets squeezed out and pushed into here. What do we predict is going to happen to the rocket?
It's gonna shoot up.
Let's see. Ready? Let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Higher.
Is that?
Gases.
Oh, well, that one was a super high one. So I'm going to try not as high. Is it ready? Okay. So this time I'm going to just press it a little bit. Let's see what happens. Here, I'm going to turn it so you can actually see. Now let's do another experiment with gas. This one involves vinegar, a balloon, and baking soda. So what you're going to do is if you have vinegar at home, then you have you could do a regular water bottle, and then you put vinegar in it, and you're going to put your baking soda in a balloon. It's easier if you have a funnel. But if not, you can still make it work. So you put the baking soda in the balloon. And then when you're ready, you'll put the balloon over the lip, but don't lift it all the way yet. So it's kind of off to the side. And here's the vinegar inside here. And I'm going to take the solid and the liquid and see if we can make a gas to fill up the balloon. Whoa! So the gas is filling up the balloon. Liquids, solids,